What's up YouTube, it's your boy Texas Tan. I'm here coming to you live with another video. Today we're here in Arroyo City. We rented out a pier. If you guys can go down and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, let me know down below in the comments what you guys want to see. And I appreciate you guys sharing this journey with me. You are officially a part of the Texas Tandem family here. I do got my little one out here and I got my wife with me, and they haven't been on a video in forever, so let's see how that goes today, guys. No, don't fall in. Mama. We're gonna be throwing some live shrimp right now underneath the piers. Hopefully we can get something, guys. Gonna be using my spinning reel, and we're gonna be casting underneath these docks.
No, you can't get down. No.
So let's see.
No, not there. No. Let mommy get up. Come on. Let me see your leg. Let me see your foot.
So yeah, guys, it's been a while since I've gone fishing or done anything. Work's been hectic and stuff, so. I think we got a fish on, guys. I think we got a fish on. Oh no. He just chomped his ass. Damn it. First trout of the night, and it is a small baby. How the hell did I hook you, dude?
No.
Well, I got that little guy. Damn, that's a cute little guy.
Come kill this.
Fucking stuck me. Oh. Look how tiny. Huh?
So time did the bait chops go?
I have no clue. I tried calling earlier. I would have came over here, but they their phone was like off the hook or something. Oh, you let go. What the heck? Here you go, guys. Got a trout. Got a trout. Yes, sir. Small guy, but.
Oh, look, there's a shrimp right here.
Really? See how tiny they are?
Look, daddy fish.
Yes. Ah. Look, guys. Fish. Look, Daddy.
Give it a kiss in the mouth.
Only if you do it too.
Fun.
Lord have mercy.
Oh, did you hear that? Oh my God, a big old freaking thump.
Dumb?
Yeah, like boom.
What was that?
Like a big old freaking trout. Oh my God, that's a big one. Oh, I scared one off. Oh my God. I scared him off. You didn't see it?
I didn't know the sound.
They're right there, babe. Look.
I can't see.
You need to stand up so you can see what I'm talking about. Oh my God.
I bet I'd beat you with that.
Get some, babe? Do you want a popping cork? Cause they're all at the top right now. All you do is just watch the bobber, pop it, and just bring it in slowly. You can leave it, but it's better if you pop it. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Got a trout on the lure. Ooh, a little bigger one. Yeah. Damn, that's a male, man. He freaking inhaled it.
Oh, okay.
How big is? How big are you? 0 right there. 14 inches. Yeah. Dang, man. These are the ones I'm seeing. On that bay bug, guys. Yes, sir.
I'm burping up or with my mouth.
Man, freaking inhaled it.
Use your bean sauce.
I don't know what happened to them.
They're under the TV in my room. Here, bring them to me.
No, let me get the knife.
That's why, let me get it.
I got it, baby. There we go. Nice little trout, guys. 14 inches. Here we go. On the H2O, guys. On the H2O lure. Let's freaking go. Damn, he freaking ate that thing. H2O lure. So I'll show you right now which one I used. Oh my god, bro. So yeah, guys, caught that trout with the little H2O lure, guys. So picked them up. I think they're like $2 at Academy. Fucking catfish. Ah! I just hooked the fuck out of myself, guys. Oh my god. Oh, dude, that hurt so bad, guys. Oh, dude, that hurt so bad, guys. From a scale of 1 to 10, that's probably a good 11. Damn, that fucking hurt so bad. I'm gonna go cry in the car. Damn, dude. That fucking hurts. Pain's actually gone down a little bit, but that is the take. Oh god. I hate those small ass fucking catfish, bro. Oh, dude, the pain actually has gone down already. I don't know why, but I've just been stung a couple days ago too, and it wasn't as bad. It wasn't as bad as this, but I did get stung, and like the initial is like, fuck, dude, that motherfucker hurts. No, the pain actually already subsided. I don't know why the initial sting just fucking... Dude, that was like the worst. Like, damn. I feel it in my fucking neck for some reason, man.
Or what portion?
Spinal.
Like, pain shot up all the way to my damn neck and shit. Damn, dude. Not only he got me with one, he got me with two, dude. Fucking shit, dude. Watching the Jake Paul fight, guys. don't like the feeling, man. It sucks, man. I literally had to pull it out of my skin, both fucking barbs. The one that was really, the one that really hurt was the one in my finger. That one was the deepest one. Man. My hand, guys, it is on fire. It feels like a burn. It doesn't even feel like a scratch. I'm literally fishing with my pinky up, bro. It is swollen. Oh damn, as soon as it hit the water, guys. As soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water. That is crazy. I didn't even get time to reset or anything, man. Oh, man, come on. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys. It's been fun. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today and following me on my adventure. If you guys can go down and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see. And the code word for fishing with me in the next video is gonna be buddy. Code buddy. So if you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, well, right now the code word is gonna be buddy, so you guys can have a chance to fish with me in my next video. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little like random name generator. Whoever uses code buddy, guys, code buddy. Until then, guys, tight lines, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Like I said, God is good, God is great, and we're out of here.